Oh, hi Vogue. I'm Riya and this is Isha from Forest Essentials.
Welcome to our Ayurvedic AM to PM Skincare Masterclass. We're so excited to be a part of Vogue India's Beauty Festival 2020. Today, we're going to unravel our skincare regimes with our favorite Forest Essentials products that we just can't do without.
So, while Isha is in her late teens and prefers a detailed skincare ritual with more time on her hands, I prefer something that is quick and simple and gets me out of the door just in time to grab that iced latte before work. Priorities. So, I'm going to show you how I prep my skin before work to look healthy and luminous for a meeting.
Great, and while you grab that coffee, let me just catch up on my classes. And then we can talk about my nightly skincare routine, which takes the day off my face. So, let's get started.
Let's. And while we do that, our Ayurveda doctors who curated these regimes for us will decode why certain products and ingredients work better together. So I have dry skin that is prone to acne and blemishes, so I like using a hydrating ritual that gets me through the day looking plumped and nourished. I have been recommended a 5-step skincare ritual by Dr. Taruna, which my skin has been loving. So while I begin cleansing my face with the Roop Nikhar Gulab Uptan mixed with some yogurt, I'm going to spare you that visual and leave you to Dr. Taruna.
The reason I recommended Riya this ritual with Rasa and Tejal, the two most hydrating products, is because she complained of having a dry and tight skin when she gets up in the morning, which feels undernourished. We call it the first beauty ritual as it quenches the thirsty skin cells just like the first dose of water in the morning.
This ritual actually is derived from the ancient concept of Ayurveda called as Ushapana, which is the first drink of water for the skin, and it helps to actually stimulate the body to rejuvenate its cells and help in normal functioning throughout the day. The same concept, the same wisdom and knowledge is actually embodied in our facial treatment duo, the Rasa Activating Serum and the Tejal Balancing Water.
Now I use the Rasa Activating Serum immediately after cleansing. This lightweight serum effectively permeates into my skin to deliver a boost of hydration. As the next step, I apply the rich velvet textured Tejal Balancing Water that restores my skin's lost pH balance.
Finish the ritual with our Advanced Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir, which acts as a pre-moisturizer, followed by our iconic Saundarya Radiance Cream infused with the Gold Bhasma and SPF 25, which helps to protect the skin throughout the day.
I love a healthy glow on my skin, for which I'm going to apply the Saundarya Radiance Cream on the high points of my face. I learned this amazing trick from Dr. Shweta. Now that my skin is prepped, I'm going to put on some makeup and get moving. I always carry the stress relief spray in my bag as it helps me calm down in the midst of a long day.
I had a super long day as per usual, but this is the part I look forward to the most. That is my indulgent nightly skincare routine. I have been using the Date and Lychee cream for a while now, and doctor recommended a regime around this product to complete the ritual. I have normal skin, but it can look dull at times. So I use this ritual along with a soothing eye cream.
For Isha's skin type and skin requirement, I recommended her a nightly ritual with a cleanser, toner, exfoliator, eye cream and a moisturizer. After a long day, the key is to start with cleansing, and I suggested her to use micellar water, which has pure spring water that removes all the dirt, grime and makeup from the face. For deeper cleansing, she could also use Saundarya Uptan mixed with milk that gives a gentle exfoliating effect on the skin.
After cleansing, she must rinse her face and pat dry with a soft cotton cloth. It is important to pat and not rub the skin after drying. Spraying chilled rose water mist helps to restore the skin balance. After this, I recommend using an exceptional balm which helps to restore the ojas of the skin, which is nothing but radiance. Use it in a very small quantity by a technique called as a push and press technique, which helps to activate the skin.
Finally, I use a nickel-sized amount of the Date and Lychee cream to be applied all over my face and neck. I love how it moisturizes and nourishes my skin. Also, I love using this intensive eye cream with anise all along my delicate eye area to brighten them up. I practice this ritual every night as it really helps my skin feel deeply nourished and moisturized. Not to forget, I love spritzing the Tranquil Sleep Spray on my neck and pillow for a restful sleep. Hey, you're back?
You look relaxed. Can I get some secrets from your nightly ritual?
Sure, I'll show you what I used.
As I always say, personalizing your own skincare ritual is the first step towards self-care and helps you understand your skin better, and the girls just proved us right. I hope you enjoyed the Ayurvedic AM to PM Skincare Masterclass with Forest Essentials for Vogue Beauty Festival.
Yes, you're right, doctor. The girls seem to be good with their bespoke skincare rituals recommended by us. And I can completely understand it can be overwhelming to craft your own skincare rituals. But don't worry, we, the doctors at Forest Essentials, are always there to guide you through this process, both at our stores and online chat. Thank you for joining us.